Never talk to me so. Because my only don't die. Then we'll get 5 children, we'll go back on the 5 children. Pray. I don't know what your useless husband, Benjamin, will not get sense. That Casanova husband you call a husband. That your useless husband will not fit stand as a man. When they run, will be like pop, will be oh, when they run, they follow Poyansh. Because you know what to be a wife. You don't get swag. You don't fine. You don't get shape. Yanshi na, yanshi, yanshi na, yanshi, yanshi na, yanshi yo. Yanshi na, yanshi yo. Make you go back for your yanshi yo. You see your life. Pray. You a man, your own fellow woman, beat you like say that they beat small pikin. Your husband value more to pass you. Your own fellow woman, they use your husband car door, they badge you join the car. Your husband was after the car. None of that goes scatter my motor. You know, say me not go use the door, they wound you. Even though you wound you, break your head, don't mean not scatter in motor. In 60, 90 years old motor with the carry car. You understand? As your husband stupid rich, as that man useless rich, woman punch you for ground. Use your head to lose plate number for car. They match you. They match you. They match make you for ground. You dey tell I dey look you. I dey look you. I dey look. Woman beat you like children. You never see this when they go take arrest the woman. When they put the woman for prison. But you don't collect it for free of charge. You don't collect beating for free of charge. Now you they talk to me, say, me want you single mother take get paper for Germany, take get stay for Germany. Oh God, you don't get what you talk. Because if I want you single mother take get paper for that Dutchman, I will not come Italy. As we speak now, no me Germany a day. So what is not the meaning of this word when you talk? You don't get me. If you say not Germany a day now, like a logi when you talk. If not, as I did Germany, they don't get to use people, they find people so, now so may be. Now this kind of word for match me. Me leave you with the single mother for Germany. Come Italy. Come start life. Got married. Rent house. As you did now Dortmund you felt they forget house. Because of maybe you run for Dortmund. You go to squad. The squad with Benjamin. Right from time you and Benjamin know the still place. You and Benjamin will never living together. You chop Adoro for Dortmund. Benjamin dey from that city. You carry your bag because of the problem you cause for yourself on social media. They pursue you. Maybe I come from Austria to come to donation you for house. You run for your house. You go hide for Benjamin's house. Now from there they make man. When I listen to her, when I hear, now small, go to shop. Where again are we?
See you are quoting bleach place for social media. You describe it where a cassava IEP to unless they go see use by itself, carry the cassava come outside. Sometimes I make if you look at me, you see even when my own come, since I don't reply some people. Many people say, no, I don't want to reply. No. Because sometimes there are some things when you look at yourself, when you push, there are some people you don't even need to reply. To just do the talk rubbish. Oh, banana topic, wala. Hello. If I don't get up, you want
so you push. Social media, do a mapo. Social media, do. Social media, do a mapo. A big woman, see this place with the talk. Vera. Pray. Now you the talk so. I'll be on that person. If we get more you no motion. On far to war. When not be me far about the war. Because you know if you take care of the 5 children, you call them much. You call go see how their life be. Their life don't better pass you with their blood owner. Their life don't better pass your husband home. Your husband wants to work for Germany. Your children life don't better by your home. You share with your children room now. Your husband not the type of bedroom for abroad. Also. The sound system where your children they play for their room now. Your useless husband not better for your room. I know what cost you. Yes. My little surprise as see me. Can't take the side at the come. You understand? So, sister, where mumu? La rek mo tell go my friend. I want to be here. I am going to be. So we must come.
This social media is not do or die affair. If you not get up, go find work. Then they see €1 job. Then they see €2 job. Then they see €5 job. Go and find a work. Because if I go the men we go to the social media, so women we choose less. School they not go. Work they not go work. They will just sit down for social media. Topic not your day though. You found the one they drag. Because if you look this matter right now, if you don't tell people where they celebrate this Sharon OKPAMEN and those celebrities, now I know they. Me, I don't feel like, I know they quit me like that, so I welcome and be good morning. And no, they always they celebrate them like Sharon OKPAMEN. I don't see how many times posting that lady picture on his wall. So now we go they talk, man. Because they say celebrate them when they celebrate people when they are nice, not the only way they don't buy. Yeah. Now when they talk so. Yeah. How many times when I bring the picture, when I thought they post Sharon OKPAMEN, Ebony, Barakobe, and the rest, why you like here? Because what they swear for, they say I'm wow, me my. Okay. The way we go they pay me pass. Those people, this set of people will all see truth, they run away from the truth. And see to my people. Because if you say that we talk, one I won't come put up for no can we no can who should no one about Bola way. We may you will let you go far away. And show you not show you not about Bola way. Hello, mommy, now welcome, good morning. No, take one in one boy as I said again, man, we no can who you no cannot talk one. Okay. Because we might get the taxi upon what it's now more. Okay. Because when they say let to be fracas, it's not this truth why they talk when many of them don't like me. Those person they support person. When you are saying the truth, they're saying they support the person. When they don't get they talk the truth, they say they don't get they support me. When those dead people come outside, they humiliate, they don't get they cause for money, they're not fair. This one when I sit on don't say me they support the okay because they don't like the truth. If they say let ask you people, how many of them now will be beneath and don't beneath as how many of you now don't celebrate these people? Sharon OKPAMEN, they know they post them. Not only because they don't buy. No. All those our being address, they celebrated. Now when go they talk now, no can say, no can say. What you now don't do? To even say okay, we they bring our culture out to people, make other people know about our culture. Have you people ever done that? No. We never let people know about our culture or to even celebrate our culture. No. Right now, those people now they trauma they give partners. Now they naked the trauma they give about partners. The trauma they give. When you look at those set of people now they be joking about when fear not go let they enter that beneath today. When they don't know say your talent, they don't do something. They don't go ever enter that land again. Frustration enter their body. Frustration enter their body. Because when you look at those people right now, coming out of somewhere, no, they go talk and they think they vex me.
You are very correct. Two blind people supporting each other. No go Sharon. We no go have boy, you know my body. I know no go Sharon. Sharon talking about Sharon talking about Sharon children go power. Now we Sharon buy you go better pass now. All those ye men and ye all those are share war when they do a shower from now they carry belle they don't know who give them. They will not white pay. I don't know why sometimes people don't get shit upon their pride and be this and be that and they can't give them belle. From the family now we. That's my daughter. Let me pick my daughter call.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Daddy, good afternoon. I'll be good evening. I don't know how we talk. So now Vera and I talk so.
Yes,
hey,
ma'am.
Vera, I be no one talk to you. But I say you're a shameless person. You understand? If you all the offers of you, where they follow me, if they want go, they go. Yeah? If they want go, Vera first, when they follow. If they want go, they go. Vera, you are a shameless woman. Do you cheer for that word when you talk? You look carry your papa come out on social media when 1 year old what do you see do? The day when you forgive me, not day, that day you be my enemy. But I keep your first and then they beg me, say, not do like that. Then you choose, nobody they choose for you. I have to keep down. If the first one go to me, they go there. If they want to follow me, they go follow me. Look your bed. Look your bed. Sharon. If the record they will sister they coming when they are to the age mate. When they talk concerning Sharon, for no say she died. Yesterday, the girl go come for a look the platform. Say no be a look it. I come in yesterday, no say I put that for record. I they go do a shower in Sharon with Mama Laura. I record all of them. Vera, who want to go down, you went to donate to your children. You take that you born 5 children, you went to deny your children. And then you don't talk as how many children you born. You say now 2. Well, that's not 5. Now 5. And then I ended that one and just shut up. You shut up. And then I fall. Look who they are following now. No. One of you they do a no, because Oguno, they say Vera over there now. Daddy, I bet you the video.
Calm down.
I never watch the video.
Calm down. Be calming down. Master.
Why come and people this say let's not better thing?
Vera don't get followers. You don't get viewers. Now we also go cash to let's go look at me. Cash to. That means when you see me go work, automatically you're also referring to the giving no go work. You understand? No. I just make I play your video, me at the chop talking. Because you know the importance. You're already useless to the society. That's the truth. If you keep a for that come blast for social media, who would know because somebody will feel saga children, reject the children, call the children witch for social media. Who else again? Where they important? They not giving the support so they never can beat themselves. So what I was saying, they are a bunch of fools. Understand? A useless woman will also support a useless woman. A useless man will also support a useless man. As you said before, 2 blind people supporting each other. Understand? And a blind guy dating a blind woman. That's Benjamin. A son and an educated man will not stoop so low to go out with a woman with 5 children who deny those 5 children. You understand? So for real, this woman not get waiting to talk for media. You don't even get who to motivate. You will not get pinch for anybody life. Because her stories and her attitude automatically say more about her. You understand? So Vera, me the deba whoever can not work. When we my yes to Manguna. When we now yes to Jimmy to you why you have to better the go no. No, you're not somewhere back go your life here. 5 good great children you have here in Nigeria. You are abandoned there and you begin to be born in bedside for Jamie. Not from a barely bedside, Benjamin. Which now that one to make money now. That will be your source of income. You're not working. I just pray, may God help you. You understand? If you never, it may not be too late. May God help you. May God elevate you so that you will know where you did. Because you are still daft. You don't get sense. Understand? Social media, they're not the same friend for social media. No friend for social media. If you want to excel on social media, stay on your own. Stay on the low key. Do your thing on your own. Be one man squad. That's why I come. I say one man squad on social media. You understand? Do your own thing. If this one do well, give him. This one do. If this one do well, praise him. This one do bad, give him. I say you'll be no time to check time. I will use the title, especially when it comes to presenter. The art of presenter. You can make friends with your followers. It's better you make friends with followers than making friends with presenters. Your fellow presenters. The only way you can make friends with fellow presenters be a distant friends, distant relationship. Hi. I call your platform. I just write for your platform. You greet me, I greet you. You come on my platform, you write my platform, I greet you, greet me. Master. Say one call the door those some say go for social media. Friendship is totally bad because they will not get something they want to climb, they want to trend. Your story where you tell them, they will bring on media the question of the trend. Understand? You see this one was zona where we talk now. This one is already condemned. Yes, no, I don't born I don't know because I want to do that guy. Oh, I go. And secondly, I'm my ferry now. You don't really follow the ferry, 2 weeks ferry, or it's 2 to 3 weeks ferry. And took my enjoy myself. I was going to kill myself, so I see myself nothing in this life. And now Sharon OKPAMEN and I go. As beautiful as she is, we have lost her. A married woman for us. Me I can't do suck breast. For me to do shout. I'm going to kill myself. Who get here? Me here. No one here. No, I'm going to solve the problem by myself. I want to solve Bombi. Let me come and focus on my woman. And they enjoy here. Man, I'm now. Here to assume in this social media. And now I could have I will go why you. I do okay why you. Let me try to enjoy myself. Many people don't enjoy self. You pay that price for money for whom I know the knock. I told him. Don't be pretty to Toto. Toto is made to fire. Fire now. I don't go make money. Oh, whatever now. A Benjamin, what they carry already, or Germany. Or they carry a little go, only one go, you say what walking in here. You worry about my man, come on back. My man, I really always see one. That you play musical. My musician sings song for Vera. My musician sings song for Vera. Shut up, my friend. Come on, get out. Bloody civilian. My musician sings song for Vera. You forget. I just. And that music for the play. I was seeing one Vera. Straight musical, sound music. Vera no more. Vera TV. Hear this song, wait and learn. It's your song. So I wrote to me, you wrote to me, you and your husband. Son. This is a song for dedicated to Vera and Benjamin. Oh, there I don't know what you after my daughter. Why Dolomoji waking your money? I'm not going to oh, man, Stabo, I see you. But Stabo, you send me half on my WhatsApp mobile. Send that for you. Monsieur, non, les gars. Moi, je suis comme une robide. D'aller, madame, moi, you not feeling quoi. Et now, we already have a tiger and lion come back together. No girl for you, all are boys. And they go feed you. And they go put you for house. And their wife will come and take care of you when you don't old. Monia. No be lie. Okay. Vera. All right, guys, see you guys later. Don't forget, please, this is a special announcement. Share this video. This evening, I'm going to be coming live. Eddie Murphy did a video yesterday. Eddie Murphy did a very wrong video yesterday. A very wrong video. A big lie from the pit of hell. Everywhere that Eddie Murphy talked about live video is a big lie from the pit of hell that we are going to debunk today with proof. Please, guys, make sure you share this video and join me later this evening and listen very carefully to Sharon OKPAMEN sister alongside with the mother, but the mother did not speak. The mother could not speak because of the trauma. Drama, shocking. Where Sharon OKPAMEN death give to the mother. You understand? So the mother not fit talk. The mother was really weak, but the sister talked too. She spoke, and they were not happy. Everything where the movie talk for a live video, the lies where the movie live on that video we do yesterday, it was too massive. The lie today massive. What I say, massive lie. Madam 50 Cent, she's not happy. I wish say not be say she did this kind of condition. Now she forced that for life video herself. Can't this go and apply the movie for the lie we hear at the very time now where he lost his daughter. You understand? So now go hear everything because it was on record. Now go hear everything. I will play on this evening. I will hear everything. You feel so? So the truth is this. You see the way I did this media for this issue of Sharon. We're always trying to say the way it is. I said, hey, we should go and swear if you don't get hand for Sharon's death. Because he was the first to announce Sharon's death. The other woman where they go, they call it Nogi. That woman on that liar. On that liar, when I go see here the audio. They say that woman not be Nogi. It not be Sharon, cousin. He and Sharon not be cousin. He go he deal with them for Sharon house. He go take information from Sharon house. You go tell Nogi. You know you go to use on the live video. Go come take information from the house. Go they tell Nogi. You know you're going to use on the live video. So later this evening, join me live and listen to the full gist and the full story. I greet you all with better style. When I use your brain when you do live, enjoy yourself, no time to check time. If I drink at the shop turkey, the shop chicken, and the shop goat's head, and the shop cow, the shop cow leg, and they will say Frank to the shop, you do the shop, you do this one, mama. Or God, this one will do my belly, so then will follow me go house. If Sharon get any money now, that money you go, not be sure on the shop, I'm go, but it's all nice of her put. The way she chop for her belly, now follow and go. No matter accident, no matter the food you give her, no fish up again. So my God, happiness is free. Oh. Enjoy yourself when you're alive. Oh. If you get money, you go. Sister, enjoy yourself. Oh. If na Angola you like, collect one for street, me you knock. Knocking system, doping system is activated. Continue to fire down. It's very important. See all this your form, they do gang. You know when something go hit you for neck, you don't go, you don't allow one like chicken with the wait there for junction. Bekus na dead you first start the roti. Because small gas they pass the man. Understand? So Gama, not pity to fire down. To need to fire down. You need firing squad. Give her woto. If possible, give her ta. You understand? It's very important. I don't my drink, oh. Don't be loud. No one I know. Don't concern me. I don't marry my house. You feel me so? That's what just be. I'm good to now. Bye for now.